Here we are in Anderson Falls in Indiana. There was like nobody here until I got up here, and now these folks just came in. I'm going to try not to get them. It's a beautiful day. We only saw one other group of people. There were only two other cars in the parking lot when we got here. It's December 27th, 2021. And it's been 60 degrees outside. It's 66 degrees right now outside. I think our high today was about 70. I skipped work, told the boss I had a headache, and I thought I had spring fever really bad, and I needed to take off early. Is that okay? And she said, that is just fine. So, me and my three best boys, Tim, Tanji, and the youngest, came down today for a little hike at Anderson Falls, and I'm trying not to get those people in the video. So we're going to take a little picture of Tanji so I can walk around them and show you the falls. Come on, Tanji. Come on, here's Tanji. He's going to lead the way past these nice folks so that we can show you the falls. And here's the falls. Isn't that pretty? Again, beauty, close to home. And beautiful day. And I have a wonderful boss that I don't have to hide this video from, because she said, that's fine. Take off and enjoy your day. So enjoy your day, friends. Bye-bye.